In this part, we are going to talk about something very simple but very important in SQL, which are comments. Okay, comments don't affect how your SQL runs. They are just notes or explanation you leave inside your code to make it easier to understand later. Trust me, when queries get long and complex, comments are a lifesaver. Okay, so you should learn them. Okay, so let us now take a look at what is called single line comments. SQL allows you to write single line comments using 2 dashes. Okay, everything after the dashes on that line will be ignored by the database. For example, here let us create our file called here in VS Code, our file called SQL dot SQL. Okay, .SQL. So here inside our file, let us see how we can use a single line comments. Okay, so for example, I can provide them like that. We use dashes, 2 dashes, then space, then we start writing our comment. Okay, so for example, this is a query. This is a query that selects all, okay, from the table, like that. Okay, then down here, let me first close here, then down here we can write our query. Okay, for example, select all from employees. Okay, employees, like that. Okay, so we can even specify where name equals to all, or I can say IT department. Let me specify here department. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is a single line comment. Okay, this is a single line comment. So the database ignores the line starting with the 2 dashes. Okay, but humans are reading the query can quickly understand what it does. Okay, using this comment. Okay, so let us now take a look at another type of comments, which are the multi-line comments. Okay, so if you need longer explanations, you can use multi-line comments. Okay, and these ones start with the / asterisk and end with the asterisk / like this. Okay, like this, / asterisk, and they end with asterisk / okay, and everything inside these ones, they are taken to be comments. Okay, like this. So we can use select, as you can see. If I try to use the clauses or the commands, okay, the SQL commands, they don't work. As you can see, select all from employees. As you can see, they are not highlighted. Okay, or they are not their colors are not changed. Okay, because they don't affect the database. They don't affect, okay, the process. Okay, so for example, here I can then write my SQL, my code. Here, let me copy all of this one, copy, then we can paste it there, as you can see. Okay, so these are multi-line comments. Okay, we use a / asterisk, then they end with asterisk / okay, so you should note that if we remove this one, the end, as you can see, everything that descends, okay, that descends after this one, after the / asterisk, is taken as to be a comment. Okay, as you can see, so it is better to end it like this. Okay, like that, with the asterisk / okay. And this is really useful if you are writing detailed notes or temporarily disabling multiple lines of code. Okay, so let us now take a look at another time, which are the inline comments. Okay, you can also add comments at the end of a query line. Okay, so for example, here we have select all from employees where department equals to IT. So we can add here a comment like this. We use the double slashes, then we'll write everything we want. Okay, so for example, this is the query. As you can see, this one is taken to be a comment, but this one at the start is a query. Okay, and it's going to be executed, okay, by the database. Okay, so as you can see. Okay, so those are the comments in SQL. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.